everyone, it's Laynie and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, oh my goodness, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. You guys, I'm still battling this cold thing, so if I sound kind of congested, my voice doesn't sound as strong as usual, please bear with me because I'm ready for this to go away. But I'm definitely looking forward to sharing today's video with you because boxycharm, boxycharm, boxycharm. We have some chatting to do. If you want to see what I got in my BoxyLuxe, see what I'm giving away, and see my thoughts on this month's BoxyLuxe, then just keep watching. You know, I've been washing my hands like crazy, but I'm going to apply a little extra hand sanitizer before I handle said products. If you don't know what BoxyCharm is a monthly beauty subscription that comes in now at $25. They have 3 levels of BoxyCharm: regular BoxyCharm, BoxyCharm Luxe, and BoxyCharm Premium. Premium is a monthly box on top of your regular BoxyCharm. I thought about it. I signed up for the wait list. It was taking forever, and then I found out you got BoxyCharm plus BoxyCharm Premium. It's like paying for 2 boxes a month. I was like, oh, okay, count me out. I don't need that. But I do get BoxyLuxe, which is a quarterly version of BoxyCharm. It is $50 for the quarter, and it's supposed to be bigger, better, and bolder. Up until this month, I was totally fine and really enjoying the things we've gotten in BoxyLuxe, but you guys, I'm not feeling this month's box. So if you like giveaways, that's a good thing that I don't, because I'm going to be giving away a bunch of the stuff in here, okay? First of all, I just want to show you my one real complaint I got. Look, okay, let me just say this. I'm down with packaging that is better for the environment. I raved about Tati Beauty's paper packaging because she used this really cool paper that had all these little like cuts and shapes in it that added lots of extra protection for the eyeshadow palette. So I love paper, don't get me wrong. This is all the paper they put in my box. And it was literally just like thrown in there. It wasn't like wrapped around the eyeshadow palette, it was literally, this was it. This. It's just paper, like looks like paper grocery bags with a few of the little cuts in it like Tati's, but come on, I mean this. Seriously? Did you guys get, maybe mine was just packaged incorrectly? Let me know down below. Did yours come safer than that? I hope so. I really do. This month's theme is pretty edgy, and we did, for BoxyLuxe, I'm not sure about BoxyCharm, we got to pick some items in this box. So I did get to pick 3 items this month, which I do like that, the choice in it. That's nice. It helps you get items you really like. But I just have some beefs with this box, especially that paper. Okay, you guys, that was just not enough paper. So I'm going to talk about the 3 items I picked first, because obviously I'm going to keep those for myself because, you know, I picked them out. So let's just dive on into those 3. I love Sol de Janeiro. I have a whole video on their products, and it's like one of my most viewed videos, so I'm guessing a lot of other people like their products too. And I picked these out myself, but did I imagine them being just like a little bit bigger? I did. Like they have this size, I think they have one a little bit bigger, and then they have like a big one. You know, I didn't expect full size, but I thought they'd be a little bit bigger than this. These are pretty small. Like if you were going to use this on the body, it would take one of these to do your whole body. So it's like a one-time use situation. I'm probably going to throw them in my bag to use as hand cream, so that way I feel like I'm getting a little bit more use out of them because I won't use it up so fast. But I'm just like, seriously? Seriously, okay. I know their products are expensive, but this in the box, since it's also that the box is so large that when you get little tiny products like this, it really feels like you've been gypped a little bit. The size, you know, it just makes you notice how small these are. This comes in at $15 for the both of them. This is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Boom Boom Cream and the Coco Cabana Cream. I actually really like both of these. I do prefer the fragrance of this one. I love both. I love the creams. They're both really nice, but I mean, this just doesn't say Luxe to me at all, you guys. Okay, the next thing I picked out for myself, I thought this one was kind of cool because it's not something we typically, wow, that's a tongue twister, get, and it was a pair of earrings. These are Zaxi by Stephanie Taylor. I've never seen these before. They are very pretty. I love a good pair of hoops. There's some rhinestones on there, so this is right up my alley. And I do like this, you know, not getting all beauty products. I like that this is something I'm going to be able to keep and use for hopefully a really long time. These come in at $32, and honestly, I'm usually a really bargain jewelry person, so I wouldn't have normally spent $32 on myself for a pair of earrings. So yeah, cool. I'm glad I got to pick this out. I'm glad it was an option. So that is awesome in BoxyLuxe so far. Like with that, I'm like, okay, I like where this is going. Then the next thing I picked out is an eye cream, because even though I have a very extensive skincare backup storage, I have quite a bit of skincare, I don't have that many eye creams, and I really feel like it's something I need to start really making a priority. This is by Murad. I've never really dived into their products. They don't really excite me usually. It was just that this is an eye cream, but normally I'm just like, Murad, I don't know. I just feel usually, I think back to like my teen years and seeing their commercials for acne products, which I had acne, don't get me wrong, but that's just what I think of. I don't think of them for anti-aging products. This comes in at $70, which I feel like is really crazy. Honestly, like, that's like up there with like Tatcha, but Tatcha gives you some like really beautiful luxe packaging. This just gives you like Neutrogena packaging. I'm like, $70, Murad, come on. Who are you trying to fool here? That's kind of crazy to me. I mean, I'm glad I got it in here. I'm glad I didn't spend $70 on it, but would I have purchased this full price? Absolutely not. And it says, deeply quench the delicate eye area with this nourishing cream. A blend of hyaluronic acid and algae extract seal in moisture, helping to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and restore smoothness. Gentle enough for sensitive skin. I like all of that. I will definitely use it. $70? I don't know about that. The last two items I'm going to keep for myself is one, because I've just never used anything from this brand for the lips. This is the NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment. Potency and precision, the ultimate power couple, a powerful concentrate of our most powerful matte yet. That's a lot of powerfuls in there. Fluid pigment complex, liquefied pigment with a zero gravity feel. $25, and the shade is really beautiful. It is in Give It Up. I might just pop some on right now because I'm feeling the bold lip today, so let's just do that. Pardon the mirror. The wand is super skinny and small. I don't know how I feel about that. Oh, the color is beautiful. It's very liquidy. Oh, what? You guys didn't tell me I got mascara right there. I actually really like this now. I do have a little bit of lipstick on underneath, which is giving it a little bit, I think, more of a moisturizing feel. But the formula of that is extremely nice. I'm obsessed with this color. It feels like I have nothing on my lips, which is really nice because I'm kind of not a matte lip person. So many of them are so uncomfortable. But this is really nice. $25. If I had like a limitless budget, I would probably buy a couple of these. I really like how they feel, and they're so pigmented. On deep skin, I think this would look absolutely stunning. I really like this color. Those are all the items I'm going to keep for myself. Now let's dive on into my giveaway. So if you are new here, hello, hi. I do a giveaway every month with my BoxyCharm or BoxyLuxe unboxings because I'm trying to keep my collection at a manageable level. So if you like giveaways, then make sure you stick around, click that subscribe button. There are 3 rules to my giveaways. First of all, you have to click that subscribe button, be a member of the Lash Fam. You will not regret it. Second of all, you do have to be 18 years of age with a USA mailing address. I just cannot afford international shipping at this time. And third of all, please comment down below with hashtag I love my Lash Fam, and please leave your Instagram handle so I have a way to contact you. If you don't have Instagram, that's okay. We'll figure it out. But if you do have it, leave it there. It's really helpful. There are 4 of them, and one is a $100 item. The first one I'm going to be giving away is this giant facial cleansing device. I just don't need this. I already have the Foreo. I think that's what it's called, the little mini Foreo. So I really don't need another facial cleaning tool. This comes in at $99, so basically $100. It says PMD Clean is a smart facial cleansing device with over 7,000 vibrations per minute. Our Sonic Glow technology not only ensures a deep cleanse, but provides a way to lift, firm, and tone problem areas. It's made of silicone, suitable for all skin types. Like, I think that's awesome. I just do not need this in my bathroom storage area, so I'm glad to be giving it away. The next thing is going to be a set of hair Invisibobble hair bobbles. I love these. This comes in at $10, I believe. Let me double check here. $8. So these, if you've never used them, they do not leave a line in your hair like a normal hair tie. They actually look like a keychain band. If you've ever used those on your keychains, it's literally just like that, but it doesn't leave so much pressure on your hair, so it keeps it from creasing up, which I really like. These are really nice, and clear is nice because it goes with everybody's hair color. The next thing I'm going to be giving away is the Becca Skin Love Glow Glaze Stick. I've talked about this before. I just do not use things like this, especially with my oily skin. I don't like how they feel on my skin, but I know a lot of people love to glow, so hopefully someone enjoys this product. It comes in at $28. It says your post facial glow in a stick, an ultra sheer translucent highlight that impacts a dewy glass-like sheen to the skin. And glass skin is very in right now. And then the final thing in the giveaway is the BoxyCharm Hello Charmer palette, $39. Now, I must say the colors in here are really beautiful. The finishes look really, really beautiful. The packaging, Hello Charmer. I love the colors in here. I don't think the camera's doing it justice. There are some very glittery, like multi-dimensional glitter, especially in this pink. It shines like every single color. I see blue, I see green, purple. The purple goes from like blue to hot pink. So it's definitely a neat palette. I am very glad to be giving these items away to one lucky member of the Lash fam. Now let's talk about my thoughts overall on this BoxyLuxe. You guys, I usually really look forward to my BoxyLuxe, and I still did this month. One reason I keep my BoxyCharm subscription, even though I don't really need more products, is because I love having the chance to give back to you guys. It gives me an affordable way to give back where I'm not breaking the bank, because obviously if you bought all of these individually, it'd be worth a ton of money. So it's a great way for me to give back to you guys, and I still love, who doesn't love getting something in the mail every month? It's kind of like a mini Christmas. But as far as BoxyLuxe goes, if next BoxyLuxe is not better, or if I don't see sneak peeks that really intrigue me, I'm going to cancel BoxyLuxe. I will not be canceling BoxyCharm. So far, BoxyCharm is so much bang for your buck, and I saw sneak peeks of the actual BoxyCharm, and there was actually a product in there I would have absolutely loved to get in BoxyLuxe, and it seems like something that is more BoxyLuxe. It's the pharmacy brand cleansing oil, I believe it was. So to me, that is like BoxyLuxe. This month's box is really underwhelming to me, like very underwhelming to me. First of all, when I opened it up and I saw that paper packaging and how it was put in there, I was like, excuse me, is my $50 not important to you? Because what if my products would have come all damaged? I know they didn't, but with the lack of care that was put into it, it was a real possibility. And I've heard BoxyCharm's customer service is not great if you get broken products. It hasn't happened to me, but I've heard horror stories. So I'm like, okay, you know, BoxyLuxe, $50 for me to cough over to you is like a lot of money. So could you please respect my products and my cash? And then the other thing is the small size of the Sol de Janeiro. Again, if I'm thinking BoxyLuxe, one of these in the bigger size would have been really good. Two little tiny ones just is underwhelming. It's not horrible, but it's not like, oh my gosh, I'm obsessed, you know? I love that we got to pick the earrings. I thought that was a really cool addition to this one. I loved seeing NARS brand in here. NARS to me screams BoxyLuxe. Even this $70 eye cream, even though I would not spend this, you know, on my own, the fact that there's a $70 valued eye cream in here, that is Luxe. Even getting something like this, Luxe. It's not something I personally needed, but at least it's got this sticker price to kind of show the value of BoxyLuxe. To me, this is a little underwhelming. I know it is a Becca product, but I don't know. Again, it's the size. When you have so many small products in this big box, it just really is, I know their word for it, underwhelming, honestly. And then I have a real beef with this. I think it's beautiful, and I think someone is going to love using this, but does anyone else just feel like it's kind of not what you're looking for to get a BoxyCharm brand palette? Like, I want name brand products, even drugstore name brand products. I don't really get BoxyCharm or BoxyLuxe to get BoxyCharm brand products. Now, if this was a BoxyCharm collab with the name brand, that would be fine with me. But the fact that they're now diving into their own beauty products, so I don't know. It doesn't feel right to me, especially in BoxyLuxe. Maybe in BoxyCharm I wouldn't have been so like, what the crap? But in BoxyLuxe I was kind of like, what the crap? I just don't think that is great, and it's not really what I signed up for, and it's not what I'm looking forward to. So if that keeps up, gonna have to let BoxyLuxe go because this month's box makes me do this. Let me know what you guys got in your box and how you feel about it. Am I being too harsh? Am I being too judgmental? Or do you think I'm being fair for the fact that it's a $50 subscription? I'm not feeling this month's BoxyLuxe, you guys. Definitely let me know down below your thoughts. I love hearing from you guys. And yes, that is everything for today. I hope you enjoyed seeing this unboxing, and I really hope you look forward to the giveaway because I love giving back to my Lash fam. And as always, you guys, please try to stay positive because at the end of the day, that is truly all we can try to do. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.